Today I am going to present my PhD work which was carried out from 2016 to 2022. The topic of my PhD is development of eco-friendly technique for the bioclarification of highly turbid drinking water in mining region of Goa using yeast culture. These are the content of my presentation. So coming to the introduction, Goa is rich, it is a huge treasure for mineral resources, and when mining activity was going on, the huge mine result was released and it was dumped to the mining areas, and it is also endowed with different freshwater bodies like lake, stream, lake both, and then it is also known for its heavy rainfall. During rainy season, the mine dump or released was run off to the water bodies of those areas, and people do not get proper adequate drinking water, potable drinking water. So it was very necessary to treat the water which is turbid due to colloidal particles. This is the map of Goa, which is showing the mining activity was going on when it was going on. It is concentrated mainly 4 talukas: Bicholim, Satri, Kepe, Sangam. So different method is reported for the removal of colloidal turbidity, like physical method, chemical method, and biological method also. Physical method took lot of space and it has high capital cost. And for chemical method, it is not eco-friendly, of course, and it releases further dye and other material in the water, and it also form a very loose block which can easily break, right? And then further biocoagulants like leaf, stem, or bacteria, they produce huge sludge. So we were moving toward yeast, which is have high tolerance towards robustness, physical pH variation, and it requires low oxygen, and we can harvest it easily. And most important thing, its sludge can be used further because of its specific cell wall, which contains polysaccharide, beta glucan. So lot of number of clay colloids or particle can bind with its cell surface. The cations present in the clay colloids can bind with the oxalic acid or carboxylic acid, which are present in this cell wall, and the cell and particle can clump together and get settled down easily. Most of the yeast culture were reported for the removal of